What's up, Backwood Fishing? Today we're fishing in the creek. I'm here with Alex.
What's up?
Yeah, I've been to the spot a couple times. The beginning of the year and last year. Caught a couple fish. And right now I just have a pull out on a jig head with a night crawler on the bottom, seeing if there's any fish around to bite. First time in this spot in a while. It changed up a lot. Definitely got way wider. And hopefully we catch a carp or catfish.
I'm catching you.
We'll get back with y'all if we get a fish or something. Oh, lost it. Dang, I had a fish. Right when I took it out the rod holder. I was just saying that rod holders jinx me, saying every time I use a rod holder, I don't catch anything. Right when I take my rod out the rod holder and set it on the ground, I catch a fish. Whoa, don't catch a fish, I get a bite. Let's see if we can't catch it this time. That thing was in the water for probably like 20 seconds. All right, got a bite. Oh, that was a good bite. That thing thumped it. Got it. Oh, it's a stupid gar.
What's your favorite fish, John?
Yeah,
I want to catch
my least favorite fish.
the crocodile fish.
Now, you stop it. Bad boy or whatever you are.
It's not hooked that bad. Wolf fly.
I don't even have pliers on me. Come on, let go of my line. Let go. Ugly little fish. Don't bite, don't bite, don't bite. Guy, he left one of these out of the water for 2 days and it was still alive. I don't know if that's a short-nosed gar or a spotted gar.
Got spots on the back.
I don't know, that's what I'm thinking. It's a spotted gar, but it doesn't have the coloration. Ew, buddy. Let's get a release on him.
I'll let if I catch it.
Gar.
Shoot his friend from up.
Pow.
You guys fish here? Well, I
that-
know, because I fish here like 2-3 nights a week, and I just kind of, well, watch. I stash my shit, because I ride a bike and I don't take it home every night.
What, are you fishing tonight?
Yeah, I was going to, but I can, like, move down a little or something. Yeah, but see, I leave my poles and everything here. Just like I say, I'm here 2-3
You notice that
times a
thing?
week.
No.
I never seen you guys before, that's all.
Yeah, I used to fish here the beginning of the year,
Yeah,
but
I
then the
caught-
grass
A
got...
couple days ago, I caught a couple nice catfish right here.
What were you using?
I got this liver shit. See, this is all my shit. That's my bear cans too, but I brought a bag to pick them up. But see, I buy this shit from Walmart,
Mm-hmm.
and then I just take beef liver.
Oh!
I take beef liver and chop it up and put it in there and let it soak in that stinky ass shit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, but yeah, you guys, if you come down here, I don't care if you use my shit, just put it back. would you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
That's right here. Where's that other pole holder?
There was only one.
No, there should be two. They were both right there.
Oh, it's right there.
Yeah, I got two of them down
I
here.
see that.
I saw only one.
Yeah, here it is. Because I know I was here last night fishing. I caught one little last carp. That was it. No catfish.
Where do you usually cast? Right here?
Huh?
Where do you usually cast?
Well, when I catch the catfish, check this out. I'll throw this out there. Don't move. When I catch my catfish, I usually catch them right about there. Maybe just a little further out. But you got to watch it. Because right about there's a great big snag.
Okay.
Must be a log or something. So just where that landed, just about a foot or two this way of that. Yeah, because I broke probably 5 or 10 lines out there the last month and a half. Yeah. Hey, if you want to try a piece of this stinky ass liver, you can.
Okay. Oh, it broke me off.
Here's the other thing you should do. See this? I can't pull no line out. Loosen that thing. Hold it.
Dang
It's right there. Oh. Here, I'll try it on there for you. Yeah, them are way too big of hooks. Here's about the size I use.
Had a bite.
That makes it up. A little one. And the other thing you should do, let's see if I get a split shot.
What is that, a drum?
I don't know, bring it up.
Got a drum.
Oh, white bass.
Let's see. No, them are, let's see, bring it up. Yeah, I call them drums. That's not a white bass. White bass are different than that. That's a drum.
That's a drum?
Yeah, but they're cousins of the bass. And they're all white meat, and they're really good eating. Yeah, I caught a nice one the other day. What's up? Can't get him off?
Yeah.
Oh, that might be a white bass.
What was
dude.
that? Someone threw like a rock in the water over there.
No, I hear that every time I'm here fishing, but it can't. A beaver slaps its tail like that, but I think it's big carp or something. Because I threw my line out there with the night crawler on it, and one splashed real big. But yeah, dude, that is.
How do you feel about that that guy that came down there and started pulling out rods and gear?
I didn't see the gear, so
I know, me neither.
scared me.
I didn't see the rods, I didn't see the gear.
Yeah, hooks and everything.
He had hooks and everything.
That's fun.
Just imagine he pulled out a stove and everything.
Not bad.
He had his own secret little chicken liver bait.
It was all there.
I walked right over the rods.
That's funny. We were there the whole time and didn't even know. I was wondering why that rug was there.
Well, we're gonna stay for a little bit longer than we expected and try to catch a catfish. He's gonna use the weird chicken liver bait that guy gave him,
It stank.
and I'm gonna use the cut bait. Let's see what we can catch. Slim Jims and stuff.
Hey, back with fishing. On undertake.
So, today didn't go great. It didn't go horrible. Caught 2 fish. Caught 1 gar, 1 white bass. Lost something big.
Caught a worm.
You caught what?
A worm.
He caught a worm. He didn't get skunked. Yeah, this is gonna have to make of a video. This is gonna have to make.
Sound it out. Apple. Syllables. Apple. What?
I need a new brother, but
Wait.
today it didn't go great. It didn't go horrible, but
You mean no thing, ain't you?
Might try to go back there tomorrow. You done? Maybe go tomorrow?
Tomorrow?
After work.
Probably, yeah. I might go with you.
Maybe.
Maybe yeah, maybe no. Don't know. World may never know.
So yeah, this is gonna be the end of the video.
Backwood.
Backwood. Oh yeah, another thing I wanted to say. So this is the thing I've been wanting to do. Another catch and cook. Comment down below. Things you want me and Alex to cook or catch and cook. It could be a fish. It could be. The only other things I'm gonna do other than a fish is a rabbit.
A rabbit.
A rabbit.
You got a nice. What about the chihuahua? Wait, a rabbit?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, rabbit. Or just like chicken.
I would say squirrel, but I don't know how to do a squirrel.
Cut it up.
Any fish other than bluegill and gar we'll catch and cook.
Eat a gar.
Ew, no.
Eat a turtle. Eat a starfish.
I need you, brother.
Go get some clam soup.
Anything other than a bluegill and a gar we'll catch and cook. And we'll, if you comment down below enough times a rabbit, we'll do a rabbit.
Hey, Jonathan. You're a dog.
Oh well. This is gonna be the end of the video. As always, stay fishing and